Let's design a vintage floral poster design, inspired by the prints of the arts and crafts movement. Start by selecting the large poster canvas preset. In Patterns, search Floral and pick an image you like. Because the pattern tiles are seamless, we can duplicate the image to make it smaller and increase the level of detail. Change the background color to a light cream color to complement the artwork and create contrast. Taking inspiration from these vintage-style posters, let's add some text styled with a classical serif font. Create contrast and appeal using a mixture of sizes and weights, but for consistency, I am using the same font, to avoid the design getting too chaotic. Lastly, let's add a small graphic element at the bottom of the print to cap off the design. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Studio, go beyond ordinary.